So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this trend on TikTok, how to add your avatar, how to add your AI. So basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. So in total we need 3 apps. So the first one is TikTok, so make sure that you have it. Also we need the Faceplay, it's available for Android and iOS, so just download this app called Faceplay. And the last one is CapCut, so make sure that you have CapCut too. So after that you just need to open the Faceplay right up here, and then just find the necessary filter we want to use. Basically it opens on this page, but we need to go to anime in the top of the screen, so click on it and then just scroll down to find the necessary filter. This one is suitable for us. So as you can see, it's totally free, so we can use it. So let's just click free to use, yes, choose from album, and here we can choose the necessary photo we want to change, for example this one, and then just click on confirm. So now it's processing and all we need is just to wait for a little. So after that our processing will be finished and we'll get the result, which looks like, I think it looks like this. So we can click and watch, and this is our result. Yes, we can save it, so click on save. And after that we just need to go to TikTok. I will close this card. And all we need now is just to go to the search and input the AI trend to find the necessary template we want to use, for example this, so search. And after that, here in the TikTok, find the necessary template. This one is good, I think. So basically, after we found the necessary video, we just need to click on CapCut try this template near the description and the nickname. So after that we can click and then use template in CapCut. And after that this page will be open, so let's close the CapCut and open it once more. So the template page will be opened. It looks like this, so we can click on use template, and now we can just choose the necessary photos in the clip. So we need to choose 10 clips. Just choose the photos we need to add, for let it be like this. So after that click on preview, and as you can see we successfully created this template, but we need to add the sound. To edit, in the right up corner just click on add sound in TikTok. So after that it will be the exporting process, just need to wait, and then just click on okay, nothing need to click, it will be opened in your TikTok. So after that our video is ready. So we just need to click on next here and then just click on post. I hope guys this tutorial was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.